is crying out loud. The blood of the innocent is crying out loud. Eke ori afọ nkwo ojo fogana. Agbawanti manugia eburisi eburuntu. Agbawanti.
On was young.
Huh? Do you have a problem?
Oga, do you have a problem?
Problem? What are you talking about?
The way you stopped at the middle of the road is very suspicious.
Suspicious? Suspicious. I remembered something.
Remember something?
Yes.
People were actually running, thinking you're a kidnapper.
Kidnapper? For what? Why? Do I look like a kidnapper? Do I?
You were even shouting, crying, hitting on your steering.
Me? Cry? And hit on top of my steering? No, please. No, not me. Not me at all.
It's fine. But I think you're seeing double. Or maybe something's chasing you. Check the choir. One only thing. Check go for my other go.
Crying out loud. The blood of the innocent crying out loud. Eke ori afọ nkwo ojo fogana.
Yes, honey.
Hi, darling. Are you okay? You sound somehow.
Yeah, I'm fine. I'm just tired after a long drive.
Sorry, I'm just checking on you.
Nice of you. I'm actually at the village. Our family house is just 5 minutes away.
Wow, that's so fast.
Yes, trust me now.
I trust your tough driving.
Come on, darling. Stop talking like this. Stop. I drove safely. I mean, it was cruise control.
Okay, drive safely, okay?
Okay. All right, honey. All right, I'll call you when I'm much more settled. Okay?
I love you. Bye.
Okay, my love. Bye.
Blood of the innocent crying out loud. Eke ori afọ nkwo ojo fogana. Agbawanti manugia.
See anything again.
You're welcome, my brother.
Thank you, my brother.
No.
Thank you so much. Yes, a friend of mine actually lost his father, and I decided, why don't I pop in and see you before, proceeding to the burial.
Yeah.
Yes.
That is very good of you, my brother.
Yes.
I was not even expecting to see you.
I wasn't actually expected to come here myself, but I said, Umuaka is just around the corner. That's where the burial is happening. So I said, let me see my people now, know how they are doing, know how they are faring before, going for the burial. So how are you? Wife, children?
We are fine, no. We are good. It's only hunger.
Hunger.
Ago.
And you're like this.
Don't mind
and
the
your
body.
farm is doing well.
Don't mind the body.
Please. Let me proceed for this burial, yeah?
Okay.
Please. Let's go.
Ejewe kwenduru kwenduru ejewe kiti banachara bụrụ ma gị kwe ka bụrụ n'ụdị anyị gawa kwenduru duru.
Stretch forth your hands. Turn it.
Ejewe kwenduru ejewe kiti banachara
Your hands are soiled with blood. The blood is very thick. Very, very thick. But your hands can be washed clean again. Do you want your hands to be washed clean?
Of course, I want my hands to be washed clean, please. I mean, that's why I'm here.
Banachara ọ bụrụ ma gị kwe ka bụrụ n'ụdị anyị gawa kwenduru
Take this. Take it. Go to his grave and pour this on it. First, sprinkle it right round the grave and pour the rest at the side of the head. Did you hear me?
I heard you.
After doing that, Okitika will cage his spirit at rest, and he shall never no more disturb you. But you have to be courageous. Did you hear me? You have to be courageous because no spirit succumbs without a fight. Now go.
Ruben, how are you?
I'm fine. I'm fine.
You remember me today?
Of course, ma. I always remember you, I always remember you. Remember I was here last Christmas. Yes, and I was here when I came back in April.
Oh, Kwezioku, I remember. Oh, since I lost your best friend, my son, I don't know if I hardly remember anything.
It's okay.
And you see, this is my son. Whoever killed him, he must avenge his death. He must kill the person that killed him. Not kind of land, you know.
Okay.
Sit down.
Listen.
Hi. Ruben, one let yourself. No. Hi. Ruben.
No, I hope you're okay.
Okay.
All right. I got this for you.
For me?
Yes.
Hey.
All for you and this as well.
For me?
For you.
Hey, I wish Nana is alive. Nana, thank you so much.
It's okay.
Dalo.
It's okay.
Thank you. Let me get you something to eat.
No. I'm actually in a hurry. I've not even gone to my family house. Yes, I told myself as soon as I get to the village, I have to see you first before attending to them. So I just have to leave. But please, stop crying.
Too much now.
Stop crying, please. From time to time, I'll do more. If you have any problems, call me. Call me. I'm also your son. Please call me.
Yes, now.
Call me.
Thank you,
just
Dalo.
take care.
Call revenge,
It's okay.
He must revenge.
It's okay, man.
Hello?
You could take care of yourself.
I will.
Take care of yourself.
I am.
Yeah.
Please don't cry for me.
Soft.
Really touching me. Oh, my spirit, my soul.
You call it out there. Look at bottle. Look at you. Thank you, the best.
Please don't cry for me.
Do you know, I never realized things were rough for Ruben. I mean, he's a lawyer, isn't he?
Mama, things have changed. Some of these lawyers, engineers, and even doctors are broke.
Okay.
They earn less. You know, we are the people on track. We the businessmen. Oh, yes.
Right. Well, I am glad that you have decided to help him. Once God favors you, you try and favor your fellow man, because no one knows tomorrow.
He has been disturbing me for a while over it. But I never gave it a thought. I just decided to help him now.
That's good. That's great. That's the best thing. You know, his father and my husband, that is your own father, we're best of friends. Both families, we never had any problem with each other. So,
thank you so much, Mama. Thank you for the approval.
anything you can do to help your fellow man.
I will.
That one.
Nearly no, Lily. I bring more. Emma can say, what don't know.
You are really the true son of our land.
Thank you.
Oh my Gemma. Through the voice of the people is the voice of God. We have given you the mandate. Oh my
Ma'am, can I have
Nana, thank you so much for the drink.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much for the meat.
Nana, you are so generous and kind-hearted. You have assisted a lot of people in this community. Some you have given money, some you have shown the way, some you have even paid their school fees. May Chukwu Okike Abiyama continue to bless you. May your business continue to grow higher and higher. So that you will continue to help your kingsmen. Finally, Nanda, the Igwe of our town has asked us to nominate someone that will be given a chieftaincy title this coming Christmas. And collectively, we have chosen you. Oh, yes. And I have personally chosen a wonderful title of Onwanitilora. One for you.
Congratulations, Onwa. The gods of our land will be with you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. In that case, just give me a date. Give me a date. Come with the community. The community. In no distant time, I will finish that house there. Okay. I'm fixing that for my mother. Okay. And the master plan will be here. Okay. Unovi. Okay. Azugoluma na aduko eva. I appreciate you. Eat, eh? Mama ina no ife na eme.
Na ike gwolo. I deserve kwale amobulu ndi ocha. Hey. Darling, if you need more, okay, with them. I can
wrap your band
oh, one dear man, I got. Oh, one dear man, I got. Oh, one able, oh, one dear man, oh, one able, oh, one dear man, oh, what. Mazi Sunday na mazi ibe kwa nonu.
Why don't you cake you?
Ana no mfo ana kwa nonu biko oche dekwa. Na biko. Hey. Hey, mazi ibe kwa. Aru amaka yi. Looking good. You're welcome. Okay. I'm a here. Hey. Ha, this is why you people are visiting this early. You never come to my house in the morning.
But everything has to happen one day.
None.
Oh, no.
Sunday. I hope everything is all right.
Like you said, this is an unusual visit. And our people say that the toll does not run in daytime for nothing.
That is true. That is true.
And our people also say that there's nothing the eyes see that will make it release blood other than tears.
Osondu, why are you speaking in parables and proverbs? Is there a problem? Did anything happen?
Something bad happened and it concerns you.
Something bad? It concerns me.
Yes, it concerns you.
What happened and who is the person involved?
Something bad happened.
How? Nanankem? What kind of problem?
Hamurabas came to his house and made away with everything that he has.
Hey! Chuabiama. Eh? Why does it have to be me? This these ones that I'm beginning to enjoy. I'm just getting more. Hi. Anyway, let them make away with everything. My father, let him just stay for me. Wealth can go and wealth would come back. That one is not a problem. But how is he anyway?
He was badly injured.
Badly injured?
Yes.
Akia or his leg? What happened? Where was he injured?
They shot him with a gun.
Eh?
And before they could take him to the hospital.
Let's start going to the hospital now.
Calm down. I know, calm down.
Okay, I'm calm. So,
before they could take him to the hospital, he died.
Mama, please don't cry for me.
Did you hear what our son said?
It's true.
Listen,
It's true.
no, it can't be.
Calm down.
It can't be true. Listen, Nana cannot die. Nana will not die. You know what? Leave my compound. If this is why you're here this morning, to tell me this nonsense, leave my compound.
Calm down, please.
Calm down.
Okay. If you don't want to leave, I will leave. I'm going to the hospital. I'm going to attend to my son.
It's really touching me.
Nana. My son. My only fruit in the fire. Some evil one has taken my only fruit and thrown it away. What am I supposed to do? Your father died early. I brought you up all alone. With all the strength and love I had in me. And now you're gone. Life has become tasteless and useless. I brought you up all alone to become somebody. But now you're gone. What am I supposed to do? All my efforts, my sleepless nights, my sacrifices, all gone to waste. What am I supposed to do? Obiama, can you defend me? Why is my own different? What have I done? Hi, God, what am I supposed to do? What am I supposed to do?
Mama, please don't cry for me. I'll quit it's really touching me.
My son and Nana, avenge your death for the sake of your mother. Get up and fight. Kill whoever killed you. Whether it's a him or a her, kill and expose the person for the whole world to see. Avenge your death. Use this weapon to fight back. Use this to fight back. Let the evil one be exposed so that the whole world would see him. So shall it happen. I am waiting.
Oh, mama, please don't cry for me.
It's been 10 long years of agony and pain since my son passed on. But Chukwu Abiyama will still do it for me. I will know the killer of my son before I join my ancestors. I am still waiting.
bottle kept disappearing, getting out of my hands. Then finally the thing just disappeared totally. So I don't understand what's going on. After everything, after the distance I drove here, all the money I paid, so you need to explain something to me. Let me know what's really going on, because I can't understand what happened there.
It did not work because someone is telling lies. So, either you or Okitika is telling lies.
Ejewe kwenduru. Kwenduru kwenduru. Ejewe kiti banachara. Banachara. Oburu mage kwekwe. Kaburu nuri anyị gawa. Kwenduru kwenduru. Kwenduru kwenduru. Uduru.
Okitika, are you the one telling lies? Did you hear him? He said no. Okitika never lies.
I called Osondu, your brother. He said you went for a funeral. Who died?
Funeral?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. I told him that story just for him to, get off my back and not ask me too many questions.
So how about the land case? Has it been settled?
Land case. Oh, that stupid boy. Yeah. He ran away as soon as he heard I was in the village. Yes, and I gave Osondu some money to pay some boys to break down the stupid fence he built there. Let me see how he'll get back. Does he know what it took me to get that land? Does he? These silly boys, they think they will just travel abroad and start misbehaving. Please, honey, I've had a long drive. I need to go freshen up, okay? Yeah.
I'll run water for a bath and quickly fix something for you to eat.
All right, my love. Let's just do that, okay? Oh, really? Really? Wait. So because I have a little issue, you insult my manhood by going to your parents to say what? Huh? Telling them about what's going on?
Darling, did you just call this little issue? It's not little. A lot has been going on. This whole thing is beyond me. I would rather confide in my parents than talking to someone else. Who would you rather have me confide in? Okay. If not my parents.
Okay. You know what? Why don't you go get handcuff me, then get ropes, tie me, and then drag me to your parents?
Darling, hold on, please. It hasn't gotten to that. It's not like that. I just spoke to them because I feel my father might be in the best position to help you out. Secondly, my father specifically said he wants to see you and, have a talk with you. Please.
Listen here, okay? I will see your father in my own time. And there's nothing going on, nothing absolutely going on right now that I cannot handle. Do you understand me? And I don't want to discuss this again.
Darling.
Report me to your father.
Go to your parents for what? Okay, am I not a man? Won't you tell me things first of all? Why would you go and talk to your father? Why don't you tell me what to do in the bedroom?
Steph, what is it?
Sir, Mr. Ben is here to see you. You have an appointment with him today.
Steph, yes, I said so. Yes, I'm not coming to the office. Till Monday, I won't be around.
Sir, I told him you're not around, but he insisted that we must get to him today.
Steph, listen. Do whatever damage control it is, okay? Handle whatever it is till Monday, okay?
Sir, you know how aggressive Mr. Ben can be. He just stepped out to get something. He said he'll be right back.
Steph, please don't make me yell at you. Please. Please.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Till Monday.
Oh my God, what kind of a thing is this? I don't really understand what is happening. I can't kill myself. I don't know what to say to this man when he comes back. I don't just understand the whole situation. I'm just tired. I don't know what to do.
Darling, I'm off to the supermarket. I'd like to get some things. I've made your meal. Whenever you're ready to eat, tell Joy to serve you. Did you hear me?
I heard.
Okay, don't you think you should probably go inside and sit down other than, staying outside here? I think it's safer inside.
Am I a kid?
No, I didn't say that. It's just that I'm a little bit worried.
Worried about what? Worried that your insane husband will get naked, then run on the streets naked, then join you at the market naked?
That's not what I'm saying.
What are you saying? Am I a kid? What is it? What is it you want to say again? You want to go to your parents and say what again? Huh? Go to the market. Tell your parents again, okay? Tell them.
It's fine. I'll pick the kids on my way.
Pick now.
Hello?
Hello, Ify. What is wrong with your husband?
My husband is okay. He went to the village, but he's back. Any problem?
We've been trying to reach him for some days now. In fact, weeks. I sent one of my neighbors that wanted to buy a house to him. He's been turning the guy, come today, come tomorrow. I don't understand. Even the guy said he went to the office today. And the secretary said he's been out of town. Nem, what is going on? Talk to me, I'm your friend. Okay?
I'm so sorry, Mabel. My husband has this land issues in the village that's been consuming his time and attention. But I promise everything will be sorted out as soon as possible.
Village or Zakwa?
Yeah, I'm certain.
Ify, open your eyes. Are you sure your husband does not have another woman somewhere? And he's deceiving you? Nemo. Hey.
No, that's not possible. My husband is not capable of doing that. No.
Ify, see, let me tell you. This is how cheating men behave. They will come up with one excuse or another. They will tell you they want to go to village meeting. They will have meeting with Omona. They want to go to a conference in Abuja. They have a contract to deceive you. They will end up in another woman's house for days, if not weeks. Open your eyes, oh. I am telling you what I know.
Mabel, I totally understand you, but my husband is not kind of a man. Okay?
Seems like you trust this your husband so much. Hey, Ify.
Yes, I trust my husband so much and I know what he can do. This is not one of them.
Okay, since you trust him that much, there is no problem. I'm only watching your back as your friend. Biko, tell him to get back to my neighbor as soon as possible. In fact, the truth of the matter is, I have a share in this business. My own percentage. That's why I'm trying to hasten everything. Biko, tell him we are waiting for him. He should get back to us.
No problems, I will. Thank you so much.
What are friends for? What are friends for? I will always watch your back for you. Ngwano. Take care of yourself. Oh? There's no problem. Just tell him that we are waiting. Oh? Okay. Ngwano, bye-bye. Village. Meeting no one na come. Meeting no one. Ala say you say na okay. Okay.
Madam Secretary or Miss Secretary, whatever you call yourself. I want to see your boss. I need to see your boss. Today is enough. Enough is enough.
Sir, but I've called him. You two have called him. His number is not going through. I don't know what else you want me to do. I'm just a staff here, please. I mean, I can't kill myself.
Ordinary see of who? Eh? See, I'm not even here without seeing your boss. I want to speak with your boss. If you know what you have to do, do it.
Sir, I don't know what else to do. Please, I beg you, just calm down. Sir, please, next time you come, your CFO will be ready. I don't mind delivering it to you, please. Please, just bear with us, okay?
The blood of the innocent is crying out loud.
What? Give you an advice and you do what? If I give you an advice, you do the simple things you should do. Simple things. If I give you an advice, you take it and you frame it and put it on your wall. That's what you should do. If I give you a simple advice, because don't contest me, because this is my ground. You understand me? If I give you an advice, all you just do is to take it, you frame it, put it on your wall and admire it. That's what you should do. Yes. If you have an achievement, what do you do with it? You put it in your socks, you wear it, and then put it in your shoe. That's what you should do. You shouldn't contest what I tell you. You shouldn't contest what I tell you. What is wrong with you? Simple things. You do not listen. And what are you saying? You should listen to what I'm saying. What's wrong with you? No. See, listen to me. Yes. No, don't annoy me. Don't annoy me. No. Listen, if I tell you something, you just do it the way I said you should do it.
Sir, is everything the matter? Is everything okay? Sorry, sir.
Come here.
Sir.
Come.
Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir.
Come.
Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir.
Come.
Sir.
Come here. Come here.
Sir, sorry. Sir, I'm sorry. Sir,
have an achievement. What do? You take the achievement and you wear it in your socks. You understand me? You wear it in your socks. That's what you should do. And then when I advise you, you take the same advice. You take that same advice, you put it on your wall, and then you decorate it properly. You understand me? Put it on your frame and you decorate it. That's what you should do. Instead of this stuff.
Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir.
Please stand up. I'm really sorry. I hope I didn't hurt you. I'm sorry. I hope I didn't hurt you. Please. I hope I didn't hurt you. Please don't let Madam know. Okay? Don't tell Madam this, okay? If you don't tell Madam, I'll dash you money. You understand me? I'll dash you big money. You understand me? Please don't tell Madam this happened. Eh? Say yes, sir. You won't tell Madam. Just say no, sir. You won't tell Madam. Yes, sir. No, sir. Just say you won't tell Madam.
Yes, no, sir. I won't tell Madam.
Please. Please. You won't tell Madam. You promise me?
Yes,
you
sir.
promise me?
Yes,
I'll give you money. Don't tell her.
Yes,
Okay?
sir.
Don't tell her. Okay, go do what you have to do. Please don't tell her, okay? Don't tell her, alright? Don't tell her.
And you dance surukere, bwegundemo. And you dance surukere.
Nana, this is getting too much now. Nana, what is this now? This is getting too much now. Nana, what is this now? Nana, what is this? This is getting too much now. Nana, this embarrassment is getting too much now. No, you can't be fighting me this way. This is unfair. Nana, this is too much for me now. Nana, this is wrong. Nana, this is wrong. Nana, this is wrong. Nana, this is wrong. Nana, this is wrong now. It's wrong. Nana, you're not being fair now. Come on now. Nana, this is no now. Nana, no.
Hey, there is problem. There is problem, oh. Yeah. Yeah. I hear me, oh. Do you know that my husband does not trust me? The worst thing is that he will go out and comes back without even caring. Yeah, I hear me, oh. I have no. Oremi, Mambel, help me.
Mabel.
No, Mambel, help me. They're my friends. So help me.
Hey.
It's very serious. Have you discussed this with him?
I've discussed it severally. It's not once, it's not twice, it's not thrice, it's not thrice times. I discussed it.
So what did he say?
Oh, sure. He said I'm too fast. That I'm very ugly. I'm ugly like this. The way I fool this year, what she done? I fool this year now. I'm ugly. I'm Oshegu at Ejiro. Am I ugly? All this my shape I have. No, don't look at me.
God will punish that your useless husband. He's very stupid to open his mouth and say that you are ugly. When he married you, were you like this?
What's you?
Were you this shapeless?
Mampe. Me I say place.
No, I mean, were you this chubby?
It's now you spoke the correct English. I'm chubby, I'm not shapeless. I'm shapeful.
Were you this chubby?
That time, I used to have shape. Wait, I will show you my phone. Me that, tell me where I go. Boys should be roasting me. Look at the picture.
Show me, let me see.
Hey! Zoom the picture, zoom it.
No. Sweet 16. See figure 8. See your shape.
You see my horse leg? This is my horse leg.
No, you are beautiful. You are beautiful.
Me, we are.
No, you are beautiful. That's what I'm saying.
I know it now. I know. I'm very, very beautiful. What is that?
Men are wicked. In fact, some men are very wicked. So because we now have protruded stomach out of childbearing, is that why they will abandon us and go out there looking and running after all these pinchomic small children? God will punish any man that behaves like that. Including your husband.
Ami. Baba, check out the bed. Ami.
Nonsense.
The worst thing is that if you're sleeping at night, you'll be snoring. Mo. If you not shake him and say, how come me, turn to the other side, the gear will just go up. He used to change gear like a motor.
So, your husband snores at night and you never complained. So why is he now complaining about your stomach, your size? Why is he complaining? Okay, your own is even better. At least you used this stomach to give him beautiful children. What did he use his own pot belly for?
What else? If not that he used to call this thing, Uzukobi. Uzukobi.
Useless
man.
Useless man.
With beer.
Useless man.
If you see drinking beer today, we don't put your hand like this in the back. If the beer did not finish, he will not put your hand down.
Very useless man.
I'm finished.
See, Nne, let me tell you. You know I will always advise you as your good friend. You see this your useless husband. If he continues like this, take your children and leave the house for him. Yes. There are so many rich, handsome men out there who will appreciate you, love you, spend money on you the way you are.
You have talked truth. Hey, if he continues like this, I will declare war. I will not take my children anywhere. I will remain here. In my own matrimonial homes, I will declare war. Big war. Hey. Sure.
Big war.
Ruben.
Yes.
I'm not smiling with you. For the past 3 weeks, you have made yourself unavailable to me. I don't like that. Each time I called, it's either your phone was switched off, or it's busy, or it rings and you don't pick. Come on, man, what is going on? Something is wrong somewhere.
Well, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. The truth of the matter is that I'm on my medication and I believe I'll be fine soon. Yeah.
You are fine?
Yes, I'm fine. I'll be fine.
No, man. You cannot be fine. No. Stop trying to lie to me. That's not fair. I'm your friend, man. Very close. I'm like your big brother. How could you be lying to me? You don't go out anymore? You don't go to office? You don't attend meetings? You don't even go to church anymore? And you say you are fine. How could that be? Is there anything about me that you do not know? Nothing. So how come I opened up my life to you and you have a challenge and you can't open up to me? I don't appreciate that. I don't.
Okay. Chidi, you're right. You're like a big brother to me. You're the best friend I could ever have.
Thank you.
I mean, we've shared a lot, business deals. I mean, we've done a lot over the years.
Countless.
But you see, I need to ask this question. I need to ask, really.
Fire.
If I open this up to you, I hope you won't betray me.
Excuse me? Betray you? How could you ask me that kind of question? Have I ever betrayed you before? RB, how could you be talking about betrayal to me? Come on. Come on.
No, you haven't. Chidi, the truth is, look, something is wrong with me and I don't know how to get out of it.
I'm all ears.
Okay. You remember the last time I told you I was on the road yelling for no reason?
Yes, the incident that made us lose the bank deal. And so what about it?
Chidi, the truth is, I'm not fine. Look, I'm scared. I'm scared of going out because I fear a repetition of the same incident happening again.
I thought you said it was malaria then, or something. You met your doctor and he said you had malaria.
No.
Are you saying you've been having recurrence of that kind of incident? Wow. This is serious.
More serious than you can ever think.
Really?
I killed a man. And his spirit currently torments me.
You killed a man?
Yes, but not intentionally. You see, what happened is this. Armed robbers came to our house. I was living with my cousin at the time. Now, my cousin didn't know I had a gun. So mistakenly, while we had a shootout, I shot my cousin and he died. So you see, my cousin's spirit keeps coming back to me saying I intentionally shot him.
Is that all?
That's it.
Huh. You should have told me long ago. This is not a big deal.
Huh?
It's not a... You did not use him for ritual or something.
Ritual? What, at this level of education, for what? I mean, this is what has been going on and my business has just been crumbling.
Oh boy, you slack, oh. You slack. This is not a big deal. You should have told me since.
Huh?
Yes. My uncle in those days had a similar problem. he killed somebody in an accident and the spirit kept disturbing him while he was driving. And he visited a spiritual man, and the man did the needful, and that was it.
Please, what kind of spiritual man?
Oh, spiritual, psychic, a spiritual man.
What kind of spiritual man? Is he a prophet or evangelist? What was he?
No, nothing to do with prophet, or it's not a church thing. It's psychic practice, like Oja board. You know Oja board?
Oja what?
It's a practice where they invoke the spirits of the dead, and you interact with the spirit directly. Huh? Yes.
Wait, so you mean he can invoke my cousin's spirit?
Even your dead father's spirit can be invoked. Yes, and your father will tell you what is going on in the spirit world. Oh yes. If you don't know why, my brother, things are happening. Now where you know rich, now you know. So in this case now, this psychic man will invoke the spirit of that your man that
my cousin.
Yes. And you destroy him finally.
I'm ready.
And make him rest in peace or in pieces if he chooses.
Shitty, I'm ready. I'm ready, please. And I hope it will work, please. I hope it will work.
It is tested and trusted. It's not joke. It's not try and error. Yeah. Now you've been suffering for nothing. Now what for you? Now what for you?
Thank you.
Can you imagine? You don't come out. You don't attend me. Your business is. I miss you in business, man. I miss you. I don't have buildings to put up anymore.
It's the spirit.
It's over. It's over. Where I'm taking you to is tested and trusted. Okay. I will make calls and make arrangements. He's a very busy man. Okay. It might take like some days to book an appointment. So just have some patience.
Days will be too long, please. Anything
it's okay. I'll let you know. But they will do the needful. Or you'll be free. Come on, I'm missing you in business, man. I'm missing you.
You're a lifesaver, Chidi. You're a lifesaver. Thank you.
You're welcome. I think you need to dress up. Let's go out and have some drink. Please. Go and dress up. Let's go out and have some drink.
But we've not gone to the place yet. Come
on, you're with me. The spirit is already irritating. Nothing is happening. You're with me.
You never told me you're going out.
Yeah. I'm actually going somewhere with Chi. Yeah, he's right outside the gate.
Really?
He's driving. And it's business. And I'll be back soon, okay? I have to go, alright? I'll be fine.
Yes,
going on? Why don't you want to take your calls? I don't even know what to tell this person. Hello? Yes, good day. This is not Ruben. This is Ruben's wife. I'm alright. No, he's sleeping. He's actually taking a nap. He's not feeling too well. Okay. Alright. Could you please do a text message? I'll let him know you called so he can call you back when he wakes up. Alright. Take care. Alright, bye. Honey, but you have to put an end to this madness. What is going on? No. What is this? You refuse to speak to me. You refuse to speak to the kids. You refuse to also take your calls. What is this sign all about? What is that? What does that mean? No, honey, please. I beg you in the name of God, you have to talk to me. You're really beginning to...
When you dance, surukere, bwegundemo. When you dance, surukere, bwegundemo. The blood of the innocent is crying out loud. The blood of the innocent.
Honey, what is going on? This is the second day you came back to the house and have refused to talk to anyone. You're scaring the kids and I. What is happening? Why have you suddenly become dumb? Why are you not speaking to your wife? Why are you not talking to your children? Where did Chidi take you to? Gave you paper to write. Whatever that is going on, even if you don't want to speak and save me from this trauma, but you wouldn't still do that. I mean, I'm your wife. You're supposed to confide in me. Okay, if you don't confide in me, who else would you rather confide in? I don't know how long you're going to treat us this way. You don't talk to me, you don't talk to the kids, you're not talking to anyone. Just talk to me and explain to me. I promise I will understand. What is it? I beg you. I've been so uncomfortable. The kids are not happy. Please. Please, my darling husband. Please, I love you. I can't continue like this. Save us from this trauma, please. Please. What is it? I mean, what is going on? What happened to you? Just explain to me. I will understand. I promise. You're still not saying a word. Ruben, talk to me. What is it? You know I love you so much, right? Talk to me, please.
I see you as my brother. Yes, boy, more. I thought we loved each other. Yekwaramu kwanye alamo. Gini kama koro mamamo. Yekwaramu kwanye alamo. Omo gini kama koro mamamo.
If you really need to separate your husband from that womanizer before he infects him with womanizing. Remember what they say. Show me your friend and I will tell you who you are. Eh?
Mabel, Mr. Chidi and my husband been friends for a very long time, even before he got married to me. Okay, he's an architect and they collaborate in a lot of businesses. I can't possibly separate them.
Architect. Architect, women architect. That is what he is.
Mabel, they are friends but have different lifestyles.
You can't tell, oh. Ify, you cannot tell. You know this saying that when you stay with evil people, you will end up becoming evil. Separate them now before it is too late, oh.
I can't separate them. Yes, it's not within my powers, I mean.
You can't. You can.
How?
Use your woman power and separate them. Separate them, you have woman power.
Okay, no problems. I'll use my woman power, my bedroom power.